If you've just welcomed a pair of 6040R Smart Active Loudspeakers into your home, or you're thinking of doing so, allow me to show you how you can easily unbox and set them up. Hi, I'm Darren Rose and I'll be your guide during this quick and simple to follow tutorial. Firstly, look for the QR codes on the outside of the packaging. By scanning one, you'll be taken to a web page where you can easily register your loudspeakers. The main benefit of registering is that you'll receive a free extension to our included parts and labour warranty, from 2 up to 5 years. Remove your loudspeakers from the packaging, ensuring that you also take out the included power cables. Now, find a soft, non-abrasive surface onto which you can carefully tip over the two 6040Rs onto their front. This allows you to have the easiest possible access to the audio inputs and power connection situated on the rear side of the base of the 6040R. Now connect a power cable to each 6040R and also connect your chosen audio signal cable. When making your choice of audio signal cable, it's good to check the output types available on your audio source device, whether you're using a TV, streamer box or something similar. This will help you decide what kind of cable is best and whether you should use an adapter. A common setup is having a streamer box sending out an analog audio signal to the loudspeakers. The streamer box is also often used to convert digital signals from other devices into analog, for example converting the optical output of a TV into analog. If you have a setup like this at home, connect your streamer box to the analog input of each 6040R. This is done using cables that have male XLR connectors at the end connecting to the loudspeakers. The other end of the cable most likely needs to be RCA, but may also need to be female XLR, depending on the output type of your streamer box. To use the digital input of the 6040R, the signal needs to come from an AES-EBU or digital coaxial SPDIF output. When using this kind of connection, you'll need to make sure the cables are specified for AES-EBU signals. Notice that on the underside of the 6040R base, there's a series of dip switches. These provide manual access to advanced settings which alter the behaviour of the loudspeaker. A common and very useful setting if you're not intending to use our GLM calibration kit and software to optimise the playback of the 6040R is to reduce the level of low frequencies. This is needed if the loudspeakers are placed close to a solid wall, because this tends to artificially increase the level of bass for the listener. If you plan to use GLM to get the best possible sound in your space, check out our separate video guide about how to set it up and use it with the 6040R. Now you can connect up your audio signal cable or cables with your streamer box or other audio source device, or then connect it to your adapter if you're using one. If you're using an analog signal, pay attention to which cable is for the left loudspeaker and which is for the right. For digital AES-EBU signals, you can select whether a loudspeaker plays back the left or right channel using the digital A or B dip switches on the underside of the base. Next, plug in and turn on the loudspeakers. As you do, you'll see their LED indicators light up and you're ready to go. Please note that later when you decide to stop listening, there's no need to switch off the system. The loudspeakers will detect when the audio signal stops and set themselves to standby mode after 30 minutes. That's all for basic setup. We wish you an absolutely wonderful time enjoying audio on your new Genelec system.